Hey everybody, welcome to Medling World. Today we are staying over at Stella Nova Resort. We want to give you a pool view, 2 queen, size bed room review, and tour. Come on in, check it out. So guys, of course we have Roberta, who is a big part of Medling World, and Jake also. Give us a hand with the tour of the room, and then we'll immediately, upon checkout on this same vlog, give you our review to see, hey, was the room, was it cool, did the AC work, was it loud, all of the goods and the bads, all in one vlog. Let's start right now. And if you are wondering, this is the 8th floor. It is 8055 pool view, but take a look at that.
2 queen beds.
Yes, 2 queen beds. Pool is it's like just like an oval. It's not the biggest of pools.
No, and it's actually.
Oh, look at the size. They have a huge whirlpool over there.
Yeah.
Here I am supposed to be doing a room tour, but this is part of the room tour because look, this is everything you get to see. It's beautiful here to look at. As a matter of fact, that is actually SeaWorld over there.
Yeah.
And Roberta, I would imagine then
that's Terra Luna.
That's Terra Luna, and the park would actually be behind us then, on the other side of the building. This is some nice luxury apartment buildings there. This is actually a beautiful area of Orlando. I really love it here. Let's take a look around the room. Show you guys the awesome, you have these headboards that just go up. Of course, it's got the Galaxy theming here. We have a couple ceiling lights. Yeah. Again, these are queen beds.
No storage in the bottom.
No storage underneath.
Yeah.
And you get 2 of them. So Jake will be able to have his own big bed here.
So,
not like the cruise ship, right, Jake, where you sleep on a small little bed.
A couple outlets.
Let's take a look at those outlets there. Oh, yeah. You have some USBs there. You have some regular outlets. Very cool. And you actually get a clock.
Yeah.
444. Make a wish, guys. Got your remote for the TV. What I like is mostly all the lights here are independently working.
Yeah.
Which is good. And look at the background light above the window. And just now you guys can see that window, the perspective of that window.
And here is the...
These are cool lights. Yeah, do that again, Roberta. Yeah. Those are very cool. You get 2 of those.
On the side.
The room is really cool, man. And the TV's big. Roberta, do you mind just stay right there so people can get an idea of how big that TV is. Very, very good sized TV. So if you're back here laying down, oh, I can watch some football on there, all right. Making our way, you have this nice bench all the way across. You have a small table. Again, this is a value... Plus, I think it's kind of like their middle...
They have their name like...
A little bit better than just a regular value.
Yeah. Like that's 4... They have drawers in here.
Yeah, but you do get these little extra bonuses with a nice little pad and a pen.
This one closes if you don't want to open. Yeah.
Same kind of outlet that we found behind the nightstand.
Some information about...
checkout times. And
checkout times.
They have laundry here.
Workout facility.
Check out our vlog from this resort, our immersive stay here. We got a refrigerator. Small refrigerator. I always make fun of this because the room is so modern, but it uses a refrigerator from the 90s. You get a coffee service, all complimentary here, guys. Everything you see here is no extra charge for any of this coffee. You got your ice bucket. Make our way around here, and we have the one and only Jake Medling. So more of your switches here. Now these will control all the different lighting in the room. That one actually, Jake, go ahead, hit that one again. Okay, so that is your kind of your ceiling ambience light there. Thank you, Jake. You have kind of this just aesthetic.
Oh, remember?
It's almost like a window with a blind on it.
Remember Terra Luna? We had a hard time with this.
Yes. So this can get tricky.
This one seems like...
All right, this one's working a lot better.
Yeah.
Okay, so these are going to control...
There's something to do with the sensor at night.
Yeah. We'll keep you updated on our room review. And guys, I am wearing my Universal together. We're Universal. Wanted to wear that one today. I like this. This room is really cool. I do like this room. It does have a single sink, but again, it's not your, what do they call the top tier here, Roberta?
Yeah, it's not a premium. I forgot the
Yeah.
tiers. Have a
You got your hair dryer.
hair dryer.
You got your soap here. Got your towels. Bath mat. More linens. If you need any extra things, you can always call down. Got the toilet. Right there. Moving right along. Here's your shower control. What I like about this shower too, guys, is I can kind of show you just slides. And it slides very nicely. So this piece here is independent. This one does not move. But this one does. No clothesline. I know Roberta always looks for the clothesline. You got this cool shower head though. This one does have the adjustable pressures, which Jake absolutely loves this. He'll be in here for like 45 minutes. It's like, okay, Jake, the hotel's gonna run out of hot water.
Yeah, there's a couple hooks in there and on back.
You get another nice bath soap, and you have your shampoo and conditioner. It's a couple hooks here. A couple more hooks. Let's go check out the closet.
Yeah.
Very tall ceilings in this room too, which are really nice. Like when you walk out here, you can see how tall this ceiling is compared to where you walk in. So it gives you a feel of almost having two separated areas. You got your thermostat, of course. That will be getting turned down. And also, happy first day of fall here in Florida.
Yeah.
Where things are going to be looking real good from here on in for about the next 6 months as temperatures cool. And you know why you live in Florida during the winter. Got it safe. I'm going to ask everybody, please take a moment, subscribe to Medling World. This is how we do all of our room tours, reviews. We keep it real. We actually vlog them. It's not just, here is the outlet, here is the switch. We're people that we like to get to know who watches us, and you can feel like, hey, these guys are just regular people vlogging and giving us their adventures. You got this full-length mirror right here. Then, of course, your safety on the door. You also have your privacy latch and your do not disturb sign. So there you have it, guys. Your room tour. And guess what's coming up next, Roberta, in about vlog time 2 seconds? Your room review. How did we like it? Did we? Didn't we? What was good? What was bad? Right now. All right, guys, so it is the next morning, and I just wanted to give you guys a quick review of the room. We'll all kind of chime in quickly here. I did like the room. I thought the room was nice and modern. I really enjoyed the bathroom setup, the way with the glass shower door. The water pressure was fine. Shower was good. Air conditioner, excellent. I love the window in the room. The window of the room reminds me of being in a cruise ship. I don't know why. It just does. I love the window of the room. Some of the things that were negative in the room, of course, was that I could hear, I think, more above me. To this other side of us is like a stairwell. It's like there's not another room over there. I noticed as we were coming in, so I couldn't hear anything that way. I didn't really hear much on the other side of me. Mostly above me. I could hear like, basically a whole family up there just even talking, so the walls are very thin in this hotel if that's a concern for you. I mean, it's not like crazy like party type vibes. It was just I could hear people. I could hear definitely people walking up and down the hallway, but I've noticed that a lot, especially here at the Universal, kind of the value or the Value Plus resorts. I've noticed that a lot in these kind of resorts where you can really hear a lot of outside noise. But other than that, I really did enjoy the room. So I'm going to let Roberta talk. Roberta, what'd you think?
I think the same thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was.
We'll give you guys a little feedback of me whilst Roberta's talking.
I didn't hear much, but I was exhausted.
Yeah.
I was exhausted, but I like it. I think the bed was actually one of the most comfortable ones, just in general, that we stay at Universal.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
I like it. I like the room. It's just I miss a desk, but again, that's just the new rooms. They're not having that anymore, I guess.
Yeah, most of the newer rooms are kind of
Yeah.
eliminating the desk because most people,
Don't use it.
or
yeah.
you can go somewhere else now with
Because of the laptop and all
you
that.
can go out to the pool and use a laptop.
Yeah.
You can go to the lobby, so you're not dedicated to the
Yeah.
room. One thing is we are very tired, so we
Yeah.
went to Halloween Horror Nights last night. And we
Yeah.
got back almost 3 o'clock in the morning.
But I
So.
like it. I like the room. It was good.
Let me see, Jake. You got anything you want to chime in?
I mean, you guys described it perfectly. But if I really had to be picky, there is no ceiling fan.
I knew it was coming. You know Jake with his ceiling fans.
But the beds are very nice. The pillows are too. And the water pressure in the shower is nice too.
I think it's a Jake and Roberta. I think it's a good family room if you're
Yeah.
coming, especially if you're gonna go to Epic.
Yeah,
So-
it's like right next to it.
Yeah, but the room, we're sticking to the room. We have a separate vlog, guys. We did a check-in vlog and a check-out vlog. Please check that out. For all your Stella Nova information, guys, please take a moment. Subscribe to Medling World if you haven't yet. And last but not least, see ya!